Guys, got another project for today. It's time to pull everything out of the floor and install the new flooring. Right now I've just got this plywood floor, so got to repair these two wall panels. Had to take those off when I removed the camper from the old trailer. I still have to replace those. And then I'm going to put down some nice laminate flooring in here. I want to do that before I bolt the cabin to the new trailer, because I want to bolt through the floor so I don't have to rip the floor up, just in case I ever have to replace it. And I picked this stuff up about a year ago at Costco. It was on sale. It's supposed to be premium laminate flooring, made in Germany, so it's got to be high quality. We'll see. I'll see if I can't get it installed today. So that's my project for this week, so let's get to it. Alright, let's get this first piece of flooring installed. Yeah, it wasn't so hard. First piece installed. So I've got that first plank pushed all the way up against the wall. So when I measure end to end here, I've got 20 1/4 inches. So I'm going to cut this next plank at 20 inches. That'll give me a 1/4 inch play on either end. I made that first cut and installed the first row of laminate flooring, and then what you want to do is take whatever was left over off that first row and start your second row with that. That does a couple of things. It eliminates waste for one, and for two, it staggers your joints, which makes for a much better looking floor. The kitchenette area is all done now, so I've made the turn and I'm headed into the living area slash hallway. Made it through the living room and I'm headed down the hallway, headed towards the bedroom area. Okay, I finished installing the laminate flooring in the main living area and headed into the basement underneath the bedroom. That's all done, so let's back up and take a look. I really like the dark color of this laminate flooring, but I got to tell you, it sure does pick up the dust. I'm going to have to get some kind of a throw rug or something in there to keep that from happening. But I like it. I like how it looks. I tell you what, guys, I've installed a lot of laminate flooring, and this stuff was by far the easiest to install. Man, this stuff is fantastic. I bought this over a year ago, so I'm not sure if I can still find it, but I'll see if I can't find a link to it, and if I can, I'll link to it in the description. I'm really impressed with this stuff. All right, I got the flooring all done. Let's come inside, take a quick look. I think that's a good color. Nice texture. Go all the way to the edge on both sides. Now what I need to do is go pick up some trim and trim this thing out, and then it'll start looking good. And now I can bolt the cabin to the frame. I wanted to get the flooring down first so that I could bolt through the flooring just in case I ever need to remove the cabin from the trailer again, that I won't have to remove the flooring to do that. So today was the last really hot day. It was in the high 90s today. I wanted to get the flooring in when it was hot. That way I know that it's expanded as far as it's going to. Now it's just going to contract, so I just need to get my trim down and should be good. I won't have to worry about the floor buckling. Okay, that's it for this week. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.